central New Hampshire, Stratford County in central New Hampshire, southern Oxford County in western Maine, Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, northern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, York County in southwest Maine, western Cumberland County in Maine, southeastern Coos County in northern New Hampshire, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Mount Washington to Wolfboro to Northwood, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include but are not limited to Barrington, Echo Lake State Park, Glen, Conway, Farmington, North Conway-Durham, Effingham, Rochester, Dover, Freiburg, Somersworth, Berwick, Keyser Falls, South Berwick, Lebanon, Cornish, Hiram, Springvale, Sanford, Waterboro, Alfred, Bridgeton, Bethel, Waterford, Naples, Sebago Lake State Park, Ullis, Lock Mills, Standish, Bryan-to-Pond, Buxton, Raymond, South Paris, North Windham and Drumford. This storm has a history of producing widespread wind damage across New Hampshire. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall can't be expected with local ponding in streets and low-lying areas. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for southwestern Maine and New Hampshire. The following is a summary of